In this video, we are going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis on STRY, as it is today's leading gap. And now I did just quickly want to note today, if you want to go and check out, we did live stream trading this big release from the FOMC. You can see how we traded it. We did make good money on it. And kind of, just how to play these events in future, because again, these are going to be the key trades. Yes, you can trade these penny stocks, you can trade the large cap stocks, you can trade whatever, but these are the trades that really make a killing. But anyway, I don't want to bore you anymore. If you don't care about that, straight into the STRY analysis. So quickly, this is on a shorter term time frame, 20-day on the left, 30-day on the right. What are key resistances if we continue this push up? And these are going to be 56 and 70 cents. Now, these are the two key levels to be noting. If we continue up, this is going to be our strong area of resistance in the short term. Now, what are going to be the key levels, though, is going on to this longer term time frame. So the 6 month on the right, 1 year on the 6 month on the left, 1 year on the right. And these are the levels that are really going to be strong. So we do have a level at $2.93. We have a statistical mean at 113 and our other first deviation at 450. Now, looking at this actually on the longer term, these levels are very far off. So the key ones would still be the ones on the shorter term time frame, 56 and 70 cents. If we break that though, expect in time maybe a push to 111. And this is where I would start to turn, at least in the short term, a bit more bearish on this stock. Off this level, we expect at least a pullback, but this could end up being a reversal point, considering if you're looking at this stock long term, it is weak now. Going from $11 down to 16 cents, there is definitely a fundamental issue here. You're probably going to get bag holders holding this, and this is probably why you get these occasional squeezes, or it might be that there's quite a bit of short interest. You occasionally get this small squeeze or people covering their position and it squeezes up. But again, overall, we will probably continue down. So getting in any of these resistances will probably be a high probability resistance trade. Now, what is going to be our key target? And really in time, it will just be going back to the gap that was created at 17 cents. But really looking at psychological levels, you can never go wrong. So 25 cents will be that key one on the way down. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the breakdown on STRY. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these two analysis videos.